All right, so now we're going to look at doing the primer loaded, excuse me, maybe I'm loaded, spring loaded primer cedar. That open first thing. It only looks like there's two pieces, the primer cedar, so this will have to be a lot easier. And I believe this is to set the adjustment. So this will hopefully be easier than the thing we're trying to do. Instructions are a little shorter, smaller paper, but they do the same thing. The biggest thing here is the thickness of a nickel in terms of how you adjust the cedar. So that shouldn't be too difficult for even me to understand. All right, instructions. Remove the existing solid primer cedar punch from your 366 loader by loosening the nut on the bottom, which we are now doing. And this will probably fall free. And unscrewing the... I can't seem to avoid camera issues tonight. First I ran out of battery. Then I charged and went for a walk. Then I started recording and ran out of storage. Let's see if we can get this done. All right, back to removing this component. Well, that's kind of loosey-goosey. I bet that one is too. Yeah. Okay. That is out. Okay. Remove the nut from your solid primer cedar and thread it onto your new punch. Okay, I'm doing that now. I'm removing nut. And now threading onto new. Ooh, that's smooth. Very smooth. Remove nut from solid primer and thread it into your new spring-loaded punch, screwing it all the way to the shoulder. All right, it's all the way to the shoulder. Both nuts are touching. Thread the spring-loaded punch into the die head from the underside until it's threaded in all the way. Wow, that's okay. Can't F that one up, I don't think. Actually, need a little more grippy room because there's not a lot to grab onto. I'm trying to spin it from the second nut. Okay, that's in all the way. Thread the spring on to half until it's threaded all the way in. To set the punch. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. To set the punch, place the aluminum spacer, which is the only other thing that came in the kit. The aluminum spacer. Place the aluminum spacer into the primer seating station. It is now in there. Pull the handle down. When the handle is fully loaded, you should be able to place a nickel between the head sleeve and the cap screw. Okay, so now we're fully loaded. Fully loaded. I think I need to get loaded. We're fully lowered. And let's see what size. Nope. It's always one or the other. Okay. So that. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'll be right back. I need to go get a nickel. Alright, I have a nickel, but before I do a nickel, I should probably tighten this Alright, that's not going anywhere. Alright, now I've got my nickel. To set the punch, place it in space around the primer seams and pull the handle down. Handles all the way down. You should be able to place a nickel between the threaded sleeve and the cap screw located on the top of the punch. If a nickel will not fit, raise the handle, thread the punch down a small enough. Try again. Alright. Oopsie. And that is our picture of the nickel. And I'm going to kick the camera. So I think what we'll do is we will go big and then come down. And that's a nickel. We have nickelized. Okay. Don't know if I could tell any difference, but it's an upgrade. So I will say that the primer, spring-loaded primer cedar upgrade is now complete. That'd be a nice picture, wouldn't it? End of this video.